Welcome back. The city is helping to put more people to work and to clean up polluted properties through the Brownfields assessment and job training programs. The City Council received an update on the programs, which are funded by the Environmental Protection Agency, during its November 18th work session.
Since 2006, the EPA has invested exactly $1 million into the city of Durham between both brownfields assessment opportunities as well as job training opportunities for Durham residents to connect to the work that's coming out of the assessments, and in general just to connect to the skill sets will allow them to work regionally and locally.
Both the job training and assessment programs focus primarily on Northeast Central Durham, with the assessment portion starting in 2006.
When we started this project, we saturated the Northeast Central Durham area with 207 letters, looking at trying to seek interest from the community, both residential and commercial. Out of the 2007 letters sent, we received responses from 22 people, 22 owners, property owners, and out of that, we actually had worked with 6 property owners.
The 2006 and 2009 grants were different in 4 distinct ways.
One being the new grant of 2009 is funded through the ARRA, and then the other is that the first grant, 2006, required a health monitoring aspect. This new grant does not. This new grant, being ARRA, includes petroleum assessments. The first grant, only was for hazardous. And the last thing is that although our focus is Northeast Central Durham, we have been able to work outside of Northeast Central Durham.
The ultimate goal of the Brownfield assessment is that the city will eventually be able to redevelop contaminated sites.
So what we've done is leverage the dollars that we have here and aligned ourselves with development projects. So we have a lot of developers coming in saying that they're interested in being a part or utilizing the Brownfield assessment grant as a tool.
A tool that is also enhanced by the fact that the EPA has identified Durham as a national best practice for the job training component of the Brownfields program.
The training occurred at Durham Technical Community College. It was a 10-week course, and these individuals were certified in EPA curriculum. So essentially hazardous waste operations, OSHA, asbestos abatement, lead worker, initial lead worker, and first aid and CPR.
Those involved with the program say there are a couple of key reasons for its success.
We had a tremendous community support from a number of partners, from everything from Genesis Home we talked a little bit about earlier to the Durham Housing Authority, Durham Department of Social Services, the city, county. We had over 250 applications for 60 spots. We ended up interviewing 105, and out of those we over-enrolled a little bit. We enrolled 66 thinking that we were going to lose some to attrition. We ended up graduating 86% of all 3 classes.
Another 60 Durham residents will begin the next round of training for the program in early 2011.